just learning by doing.
Just learning by doing, man.
Nice.
Remember what you just said? Stop talking about it, just do it. And that's what I did. Go ahead, guys. Do your thing. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. You guys make me jealous, man. I need to get my son down here and do this.
You don't need him for that.
Yeah, I don't need him for that. Well, I have my nephew here with me.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. You and Uncle, we're gonna do this, right? We're gonna do what they just did. All right. Yeah, man. So what's your name, brother?
My name is Ben.
Ben?
From Germany.
From Germany.
Yeah.
Respect. Yeah.
On a vacation here in Jamaica. Actually born, grown up here. But we fly out since 17 years. Came back to 10 years ago right, at the moment. But after that, I gotta decide to bring over my smaller sisters and brothers. Because
big up.
Because
good thing.
they went over, they wasn't recognizing everything, you know.
Right.
So they forgot the roots.
The roots.
Daddy and stuff. Daddy didn't want to
man.
live in the fridge, so he stayed over here.
Yes, man. Yes.
So after 15 years, they finally made it to meet Daddy again, and that's
awesome.
That's the renewing of the whole family, you know.
Man.
So that's why we're here.
Beautiful thing, man. Beautiful.
That's why
thing.
we're here.
Yeah. So you said 17 years ago you
Yeah.
left. That means you were a tot when you were 4.
Yeah.
Oh wow. And yet, what's your name?
My name is Simba.
like I Simba, but
I
a lot
Simba.
of people call me just Simba, like in the
Simba.
car-
Oh,
like in the
Simba.
cartoon,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, man. Bless up, Simba. Bless up. Well, welcome to Tapper Talks, guys. You know, and Tapper Talks is a channel about connections. And just walking by, seeing you two on the beach, right here, Harmony Beach Park, Montego Bay, Jamaica, going through your exercise routines. Just as I said, it put me in the mind of me, myself, and my son. You know how we'd, you know, exercise together sometimes, etc. Nothing like what you guys are doing.
No,
you guys
no.
are doing some. Oh man, yeah, you guys got it in.
We're trying as well, man.
How long ago did you guys start before I got here? Because I got here and you guys were going through your routine.
Oh, okay. It was like we started off 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes
We
ago?
just got
Okay.
it
Because
started.
you guys did a lot of reps just now, man.
It was 30%.
30%.
30%.
All right,
It was,
man.
when it comes to the, what they call it again?
Burpees?
Burpees?
Burpees.
Yeah.
That's what the up and down. That's the
up
burpee.
and down, yeah.
Okay, I do mine. I do my push-ups just straight.
Just
now
straight
that
work.
I see you guys, I feel so ashamed. You know, it's like you're doing regular push-ups. You know, you need to do the burpees. You know,
So burpees is a sort of combine it with the squats. So you got the legs, the glutes, and everything. You combine it. It's like the full body thing.
That's
after,
awesome.
Yeah.
But regular push-ups are good also.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do the regular push-ups. You're just trying to make me feel better. Yeah, he's like, yeah, I did those in grade school. Yeah.
It's good as well. It's good as well.
Yeah, man. Well, you know, it's great to see you guys, you know, brothers, you know, doing your thing, you know. And you guys have been in. Where do you live? In Montego Bay or?
We stay here.
You stay in Montego Bay?
Actually, yeah, because my sister arranged a place for us.
Okay, great.
Yeah, and we just come over and stay there for actually a month.
Okay,
Yeah,
awesome.
we stay here for
Before
the-
you go back.
Yeah, for the whole April, and then we
Okay.
go back. Then the daily routine
Yeah.
job things start again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So when you guys are away from Jamaica, what do you miss about Jamaica most? What?
Oh,
Yeah.
when we are talking about Jamaica, the first thing come to my mind is the fruits thing. When it comes to the mango, the coconut, the papaya, the bananas,
Yes,
the cucumber. It's not about all about the fruits. It's about
Yeah, the
the
veggies.
vegetables
Yes,
thing.
man.
Yeah,
Yes.
my dad is always growing up as Rasta and dread.
Yes,
It's all
man.
about the ital thing.
Yes, yes.
And we was always try to leave the sugar aside
man.
and all that artificial stuff.
Men after my own
yeah,
heart.
keep
man.
it ital,
Yes,
you know, keep
yes.
it ital.
Healthy. Healthy, you know.
Yeah.
So many people are plagued with things like diabetes,
That's
which is
the
rampant
thing.
in our society.
High blood pressure.
High blood
all that
pressure.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get everything in the nature. When you talk about Cersei and all that stuff, I read actually like awkward. I just been looking what Cersei is actually good for.
Yes, man.
It's good against high blood pressure, diabetes, and all
Hey,
that stuff.
and-
Yeah, and it's all here. It's all.
Here's the funny thing: when we were
Yeah.
going to school, and we used to get Cersei for tea in the mornings.
Yeah.
Man, that thing
Yeah,
used
it's
to.
was-
Yeah.
You was just
You
like
can't wait to go
cursing your
throw it away.
parents about that.
You
Yeah.
can't wait to go throw it away.
Yeah.
So Simba, what about you? What do you miss about Jamaica most when you're away?
Yeah, I've been here away for 17 years, so
Right.
I can't remember a lot when
Right,
I was
right.
a boy. But
But this is not your first time back, is it?
it's my first time
This
back.
your respect, Simba. How are you, say, man? First time back.
First time
Bless
back.
up, man. Bless. How you liking it so far, then?
Yeah, I like it a lot. Yeah.
Like
It's
a lot.
great.
Yeah. Getting
have-
up every day with warm weather,
Yeah,
just
and
jumping in the ocean.
craziest thing that I didn't expect is when I eat the food here, like the saltfish or,
Yes.
the mangoes here. They taste different, and I remember the
Yes.
taste like distinctively
Yes.
from the past.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you taste it now and it brings back memories of when you were here as a
Yeah,
kid.
it brings
Wow.
back memories, but it's the strongest memory I have, just the taste of these
Wow.
foods.
That's awesome. Sensory memory,
Yeah.
right?
That's
crazy.
crazy.
Wow.
When you, I gotta think about the weather as well. The weather is not nowhere to compare to Jamaica. Man.
Oh man.
Nowhere to compare to here because 365 days only sunshine.
Yes.
Yeah.
And even when it rains, it's crazy.
still
It's
warm.
just so warm,
It's
and
still warm,
you just
yeah.
you remember singing in the rain. I think it's Fred Astaire. You just want to get out there and start singing in the darn rain.
Yeah, there been a time it was raining.
Right.
And we didn't want to come out of the beach, man,
Yeah.
out of the sea, because
Yeah.
the seawater was actually warmer than the rainwater. We just like
See, a lot of people don't know that experience.
Yeah,
You know?
that's the thing.
Yeah,
But it's a nice place, man.
Oh,
It's
man.
a nice
Even
place.
yesterday we went jogging in the rain. Yesterday, you know, the big storm.
Yeah.
We went jogging together.
It was raining the whole day.
People probably looking at you guys like, what's wrong with these
They
guys?
be like just like what they call it, just hooping.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Blowing the horn on it.
blowing the horn.
Yeah.
So, at every corner, they're like, keep it up, man.
Yeah. It's like Rocky running through, right?
So
Yeah.
you gotta be spontaneous when it comes to Jamaica, because
Yes.
you can't compare it to nowhere else.
Let me tell you, man, it's one of those things where, you know, it's such a joy that you can't even describe it. You know, for me, when I visit, it's kind of magical, man. I feel like a kid, man. You know,
that's
you
what
feel like
I'm
you take
trying
some
to tell
years
you
off
yesterday.
your, you know, you look younger when you.
Yeah, we've been running in the rain. I'll be like, the little child in me is coming back
man.
up. And
Yeah.
you'll be like, what are you talking about? I'll be like, I feel like screaming out of nowhere, you know?
Dude, I'm glad I'm not the only one. I am so glad I'm not the only one, dude. That's how I feel too.
That's
man.
the thing, man.
Yeah,
That's the thing.
it's awesome. So, have you guys visited any other beaches since you've been back?
We wanted to go to the how they call
7
it?
Mile?
7 miles.
Negril.
Yeah, they say, don't go there. Don't go there because there's only naked people running around there.
Ah!
Yeah, and you got kids, so you can't show
Oh,
them that.
okay.
Yeah,
Nah, because
yeah.
I was just there. That's where Negril is, like right next to the 7 Mile beach. Yeah, you can go and enjoy
You can
yourself.
go there
Yeah,
as well.
Yeah.
We went to the Sabito.
Sabito.
Sabito is Westmoreland end.
Ah.
Yeah, when you come
see?
to Bluefields.
Bluefields. Yes.
Bluefields, round there. That's where my father is.
Okay.
We went to the Dead End Beach over here.
Dead End Beach. Yeah. Dead End Beach is good, man.
Yeah, and here the Harmony.
Yeah, Harmony
as
is.
you can
Harmony
see.
is.
Yeah.
Harmony
We
is
wanted
great.
to see not beaches but rivers. Like Dunn's River we wanted to see, and then Ocho Rios.
You gotta see Dunn's River. How much time do you guys have left
Oh, what do you mean?
before you leave? Before you go back to
Oh,
Germany?
okay, we got 2 weeks left. 2
Okay.
weeks to
Yeah, you
come.
can do
so
it.
we want to see the Blue Hole, the Dunn's River.
Yeah.
We want to see a spring where to just like
Yeah.
fill our bottles with spring water.
So in Ocho Rios, right next to Dunn's River, there is such a spring. Yeah, there is
Nice,
such a
nice.
spring right at the side of the road. You'll see guys
How do
pulled
you
up
call
with their
that?
big bottles.
How
Yeah,
do you
getting
call
fresh
that?
water. It's right next to Dunn's River.
Okay, yeah, with a special name or something?
I don't know if they have a name for that little spring that's right there. But there's always people there filling up, so you'll see it. And if you ask anyone once you're in Ocho Rios, which is where Dunn's River is, they'll tell you. They'll be like, all right, it's right down there.
Oh, okay,
Just
so-
make sure to bring a big bottle
The
with
big
you. Yeah.
ones,
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
ours, but
okay.
we got the bigger one as well, where
Yeah.
we refill with the alkaline and the purified.
Man,
know
you
that
guys
already.
are getting it in, man. Alkaline water, fruits, veggies.
Everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. What's your best experience here?
Oh my God! You know what? The Rick's Cafe.
The Rick's Cafe.
Rick's Cafe was awesome,
It's
man.
not
The
the
cliff
top-
dive, and I'm gonna go back because I did the kiddie dive. I did the lower level dive. I'm gonna go up top. I'm gonna go all the way up top.
But
That-
there's the one for the pro though.
yeah.
You saw
Oh yeah.
that one.
And I
That
have
one
I
was
have that.
shaky.
I have that one in a shot that the guy goes all the way on top.
up.
Yeah. And then just
like,
yeah.
It looks
I love
freaky,
my
right?
life.
It looks really freaky.
Yeah. I'm not that brave.
Yeah, but there's a lot of good jumpers over there. I think people tip them as well, right?
Yes. So if, say for example, you have a GoPro and you want them to do a jump for a special jump for you, you can tip them like $20 or whatever. They'll take the GoPro up there and they'll do the jump and record the whole, the flips or do it for you.
Nice.
I've seen folks do their like wedding anniversary. Yeah, they'll like jump and say the name or whatever. So I've seen some cool stuff done.
Nice.
Yeah. But it's awesome being here, man. I wish more people would learn about Harmony Beach Park, and more people away from Jamaica would, come over, watch your segment and be like, I want to go where those German guys are, Yeah, man. Yeah.
Because it's a place to be.
It is a place to be.
But I think it's to compare to a lot of islands around here when it comes to Barbados, when it comes to Haiti, when it comes to Cuba. There's a lot of
that
similarity
culture.
when it comes
definitely.
to all of these islands, but there's a little something special about here because
About where?
About Jamaica.
All right, man. Sing it loud.
About Jamaica, because I think there's a lot of good spirits from a small spot, when it comes to Bob Marley, Morgan Heritage, Gentleman, when it comes to Usain Bolt.
Rich culture.
And it don't matter how small it is on the map, people are always gonna talk about us because we are rich from the heart. It's a hard thing.
Respect.
It's a hard thing.
Simba, respect.
And if you're rich from the heart, you got a lot to give, and there's a lot of people gonna ask you for something because they're gonna recognize that you got a lot to give. That's the thing.
They say who is blessed with plenty, they always, there's always, and no matter how little you have, you always have something to give. If it's even a compliment, and everyone has always said about Jamaica, like what do you love about Jamaica? When I ask folks, and one of the biggest things they say, outside of the beauty of the natural beauty, it's the people.
It's the people.
Out of many, one people.
Out of many, one people.
Yeah, man, we love everybody, man.
Because there been a time I was growing up, and my neighbor, we didn't have much. We didn't have much, but you could borrow anything you wanted from a neighbor. And they've been always like, even though they wouldn't have anything, they would give you their last shirt or anything to give you,
That's how I remember Jamaica.
That's a lot of kind people over here. It don't matter what they have, they're always grateful from the heart. They're always grateful, and that's the main thing.
We always go into this thing where sometimes people say cliche, but Jamaica, one love encapsulates what we're all about. We're a loving set of people, man. Loving set of people, and we show that to everybody who comes to our show.
That's the thing.
Yeah, man.
That's the thing we gotta keep up, man. The good vibes.
The good vibes. The one love.
Bless up, one love.
Simba.
Stay
respect,
blessed,
young lion.
Stay blessed.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
Keep up the good vibes.
Yeah, man.
I wish you good luck for your creative job as well.
Respect, man. So just tell people who you're jamming with right now, the Tapa Talks crew.
We're there with the Tapa Talk, or with the Harmony Beach. I get a little swim and I work it out a little bit on the beach. You know what it's all about. You know what it's all about on the Harmony today. We just keep it in, Take care, respect,
man.
keep
Tapa
it up.
Talks, respect, Simba. Yes,
Tapa
man.
Talk, stay with us.
Sell off.
Okay,
Blessings, my brother. All right. We're there out front there, so when you're not done, you can roll in from the jerk center there. See?
Okay,
man. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tapper Talks. I'm here with two good friends of mine, the great Benni and the great Simba. Bless up.
Bless up.
So I met these two gentlemen, two brothers, exercising on the beach, you know, killing it. And I looked at them and I was like, man, these guys, I'm like grandpa, right? So these guys have agreed to show me a thing or two on the burpees that they were doing. And let's do it. So Benny, take it away. What do I do?
Okay, actually burpee is a combination between a squat and a push-up. So first of all, we're gonna make sure you just go down a little bit with your upper body. Okay. Then you just flip over your knees, over your toes, and then just go down. Yeah. Okay. And one up, squat, and then you stand up again.
Oh man.
So it's just like that. Knees over your toes, one jump, one push up, and then you come back again.
Folks, I have terrible coordination, so they're going to be showing me this move like 100 times. But let's get to it.
Okay.
So let me get Tapper Talks off and get ready.
All right.
So let's get to it, man.
Ready?
All right.
So by 3.
So slow.
so upper body down, over your knees, and then down one, and one jump in your squat, and then you come back up again. One again, slow. Let's do start, and down. One up. Upper body down, knees over your toes, one jump, squat again.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay.
Alright, the old guy's getting it.
Okay, you're not that bad.
Tapper Talks. Let's do it.
Quite good, man.
We do how many?
15 to go.
And 15 to go.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Give me 10 more. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 4, 3 to go. 2. 1 more.
Make it count, guys. Yeah!
Okay. Well done, man. Well done.
Respect.
Great job. Respect.
Blessings. Alright, folks. See, Tapper Talks isn't just about sand and sea. We're about the body. About health and fitness.
And he's not that old as he's acting. He's not that old.
See, I had to pay him for that. But bless up everyone. Respect. These guys are doing it every day. Come on down to Jamaica. Let's do it together, alright?
Alright.
Blessings.
Bless up. Take care.
Respect.
Okay, respect.
Respect. Yeah.